Hey everyone, welcome back to Reolink Studio. Today, the topic of the day is your camera isn't charging with your solar panel. If you've got any Reolink battery camera that isn't playing nice with your solar panels, this is the video for you. Today we're gonna dive into some troubleshooting steps to get that solar panel charging smoothly. So let's get started. Alright, let's check out the camera settings. Sometimes a simple adjustment can do wonders. Now, if you're getting a charge with the adapter but not with the solar panel, generally, first we recommend you reduce the sensitivity of the PRS sensor. If this does not help, try turning off the PRS sensor. We understand that some users may be hesitant to turn off the PRS sensor completely as the camera relies on it for motion detection, but this will also help to reduce the preview frequency and duration. This should help with solving some of your issues. If this does the trick for you, great! I'll explain the working principle briefly. But if you're not on board with these changes or if the issue still persists, let's escalate this to another level. So with the 6-watt charger, about 10 minutes of charging can provide sufficient power for daily usage. By adjusting the panel angle as needed, you're able to position it in a way that can absorb a lot of sunlight. You can also perform a test using a 5-volt DC charger. Here's the plan. We'll charge the camera battery to more than 50%, and then we'll connect the camera with the solar panel to see if it starts soaking up the sunlight. Well, if you have other solar panels too, what you can do is exchange the current solar panel you're using with another one to see if it's charging the unit. If you don't have another working solar panel in hand, don't worry, you can contact our support and we'll be always available to help you. Thanks again for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below on what you want to see on our next video. See you in the next one.